Open house, Sunday, April 13th, 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. Come see this spacious and charming ranch home situated on a half-acre lot, with deeded lake access to Lyons Lake. Conveniently located close to shopping, highways, restaurants, and more. This home features beautiful hardwood floors throughout much of the main level and a generously sized living room with a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The open kitchen and dining area flow seamlessly to the backyard through a sliding glass door, leading to a patio and swim spa, perfect for summer BBQs and entertaining. The main level offers 3 bedrooms and a full bath, along with a half bath and a bright, inviting 3-season room. The finished lower level expands your living space with a large family room featuring a second fireplace, a full bath, laundry room, and 2 flex rooms for office or bedroom space. The attached 2-car garage and storage